Product people, this is a quick walkthrough of the business model canvas. You would use this canvas and this template if you were in the early stages of launching or growing a business to identify all the key components of your business model, including target market, value proposition, many others I'll step through. If you happen to be facilitating this activity, be sure to check out the left-hand rail where there are lots of tips and tricks around how long this may take, who might be involved, how many people, level of difficulty, as well as some additional resources that you can reference. Now let's jump in. You can use the outline to step your way through. So there are an initial 9 steps where you go through defining and then voting on, and there are different numbers of items that you'll keep in each section, which is all noted in the outline. So you'll vote on target market, you'll define and vote on value proposition, any key customer relationships that may exist. Then you'll start to think about key activities. You'll narrow that down and focus on key partners. What alliances or partnerships are important? Some key resources, what material supplies must you have for the business to be successful? Then think about revenue streams. Where will the revenue come from? What are the sources? And then the cost structure. What will it cost to run this business? And last but not least, delivery channels. How will customers get your product? How will they learn about it? Then, once you've gone through these 9 steps, you will go to your business model canvas and you will copy the top voted items from steps 1 through 9 into your brand new business model canvas, which you can share widely and broadly. I hope that helps, and I wish you luck with this template.